Okay, before entering Oman, you have to register on eMushrif website and upload your vaccination certificate and RT-PCR result certificate. So I'll just go through the process. So just go to the website covid19.emushrif.om, and on this page click on travel forms and then on new registration, and here you can select exemption, one here, and now just tick I agree to travel regulations of the government of Oman. I agree to the refund policy of the PCR test and hotel booking. Just click I agree, and now just confirm you're 18 years and above. Here click on passport number, enter passport details, select nationality and add date of birth. Just please make sure you enter correct passport details. Okay, on this page you have to fill in journey details. So on entry type, just select airports. Point of entry would be Muscat International Airport, and in this case the date of arrival is 1st September 21, and mention the arrival time at Muscat Airport. Country coming from, just select whichever applies to you. Here I have selected India, and the flight number. And there are two questions. You just have to select yes if you are fully vaccinated by any approved vaccine in Oman, and did you take the PCR test in the country you came from. If you have already done, just select yes, I have. Okay, please note you are required to present the vaccination proof upon arrival. Do you want to proceed? Yes, I have certificate. Please make sure your certificate has passport number and name as on passport. Mention your contact number and your email address. Click on I have read and agreed with the above. Enter the characters. Click on make PCR payment, which will take you to the payment page. Select pay using Omani debit cards in Oman only, and pay the amount of 2.5 riyals for the traveler registration. There will be VAT on top, so you could expect up to 3 riyals payment. Enter your card details and make the payment. Okay, there you go. Payment is completed successfully. Now you can just go to home page. Go to dashboard and click on view registration form to take a print of the same. On this column exemption, it should read as follows: he is vaccinated and has PCR report. Just print this and carry this with you when traveling to